Title: Temporal Drift. Part 1. In the belly of the ancient spacecraft, Kosuke Tanaka stared into the abyss of the universe. The interface of his cybernetic augmentation painted his vision with swirling nebulas and distant galaxies, the chaotic dance of cosmic energy and matter that filled the emptiness of space. The neon underbelly of Neo-Tokyo seemed like a distant memory as he prepared to thread the needle through a black hole. Since departing from Earth, Tanaka had faced trials and tribulations that tested his mettle. The isolation of the cosmos bore heavy on his psyche, his only companions being the sentient systems of the spacecraft. He'd seen remnants of lost civilizations and celestial phenomena that both intrigued and terrified him. But nothing was more daunting than the imminent rendezvous with the black hole, a behemoth that devoured light and warped time. Tanaka's metallic fingers danced over the control panel as he calculated the precise angle of their approach. The gravitational pull of the black hole was increasing exponentially, a monstrous hand dragging them towards oblivion. To survive, Tanaka would need to engage the ship's experimental faster-than-light FTL Drive, a piece of arcane technology that even his cybernetic brain had trouble deciphering. As he activated the FTL Drive, a chorus of warning messages cascaded across his display. The ship was not designed for such an extreme maneuver. The FTL Drive started pulsating with an eerie blue light, harmonizing with the primal darkness of the black hole. With a deep breath, Tanaka punched in the coordinates for Earth and initiated the jump. The universe around him twisted and roiled, space-time itself convulsing as they plunged into the FTL Jump. Stars blurred into streaks of cosmic paint, nebulas collapsing into swirling pools of color. The black hole loomed closer, its gravity well distorting the very fabric of reality. The spacecraft vibrated violently as it resisted the titanic forces at play, the ship creaking and groaning under the stress. Tanaka held his breath as the gravitational pull intensified. The countdown to the FTL jump seemed to elongate, each second stretching into eternity as they danced on the precipice of destruction. Suddenly, with a blinding flash, the ship disappeared, leaving the black hole and its galaxy behind. His last glimpse was of the event horizon, a boundary beyond which no return seemed possible. Yet as the ship hurtled through the FTL jump, Tanaka clung on to the belief that he would survive, that he would return to Earth. The alien ultimatum still hung heavily in his mind, but he needed to focus on the immediate danger. His fate, and the fate of the alien code imprinted in his cybernetic brain, were entwined with the arcane craft plunging through the cosmic abyss. Part 2. The violent dance of starlight and cosmic radiation ceased as the spacecraft emerged from the FTL jump. What greeted Tanaka was not the familiar sight of his home system, but a constellation of alien structures hanging in the void, tethered to a version of Earth he could scarcely recognize. The blue marble had changed dramatically. Sprawling cities of crystal and metal swept across its surface, and the dark void around it was filled with fleets of spacecraft moving in elegant, organized patterns. The Moon and Mars had been terraformed, their barren landscapes replaced by verdant forests and gleaming metropolises. Floating within this cosmic ballet was a colossal structure, a testament to human ingenuity and progress. Tanaka recognized it as a relay station from the galactic network, the same one the alien civilization had introduced him to. Humanity had found its own way into the cosmos. Descend to Earth was like stepping into a utopia from a dream. Advanced AI and cybernetic enhancements had seamlessly integrated into society, a blend of biology and technology that transcended the limits of human potential. People lived in harmony with AI. The divide between synthetic and organic life blurred beyond recognition. Tanaka was an oddity in this future, a relic of a time when humanity was just beginning to explore the mysteries of the universe. The people viewed him with a mixture of reverence and curiosity, the pilot from the past who braved the black hole and returned from a time-lost voyage. Yet amid the advancements and prosperity, he felt a pang of loss. The Neo-Tokyo he remembered with all its grime and chaos was long gone. The friends he once had, the streets he once roamed, had been swallowed by the sands of time. As he acquainted himself with this brave new world, he learned that the citizens of Earth had known about him. His voyage was a legend, a story taught in schools about the daring astronaut who disappeared into a black hole, carrying with him a vital key to mankind's ascendance. Unbeknownst to him, Tanaka had become a hero, a beacon of courage and curiosity. And then came the question that still lingered, the alien ultimatum. Yet its weight felt different now. Earth was already part of the galactic network, had made contact with several alien civilizations and had earned its place among the stars. But the code in his cybernetic brain was still a treasure, an artifact of a bygone era that could unlock deeper secrets of the universe. He carried within him knowledge that might lead to new breakthroughs, new explorations, and new challenges. Standing on a hill overlooking a gleaming city, Tanaka was left with a new conundrum. His journey had not ended. It had merely taken a new turn. What would he do with the code? How would he fit into this new world? And where would his next journey take him? His story was far from over. It had just begun anew.